gars yi ko dégg keroog bi fii la am yaa ngi si wala fu mu am noonu ah jógee foofu la fii dafa bokk si yoon bi dégg kon na nga filaa nga ji na ah as tuuti as possible so bu ma bëgg saa moom su ma ko fayee ji loolu gën la ñu gisee ko yaa ngi keroog fu mu am yaa ngi sama may ah ko bëgg ko way wala so yini mais li nga def moo da ngaa teg ut tamit ñu jël la ko grand ko yaa ñu ci élec moom su nga fekk gis nga yaa day système donc yéen baax na ko ci dañ ko di ci
As you heard what Camara was just trying to explain to the young lady, that this is an illegal structure and it has to be removed.
How are you? Are you one of my people? Yes, what you want? That's what you want. Huh? What are you doing? I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. ये पूरा ये नहीं ऐने बड़े ये ला ऐसे हाँ अनिया का साइन aku masih sana karena enggak mau ke bela koli bela koli dia udah ini sih ini tablo ya saya ada itu kau dekat sini pak dia ini juga tak gitu ale hah ada ya aku lah kalau kau ini pun nggak boleh ya semua aha
bu ne nga fale nag bu ne nga fale nag bala ñaari waaw yëpp nañ leen dugal léegi
All these cars had to be parked inside as we had cameras to them. Hello wonderful viewers, welcome back to your favorite channel, Smile Gambia, Smile for the nation, Smile wherever you are. Today we resume back to the operation, which is Operation Clear the Road. As you can see, we are right at Westfield heading to Jintex. So stay tuned with us guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos. If you are just tuning in, stay tuned please.
waaw fii mu si kaw yoon bi léegi nga ay nit yi pour ñu mu si kaw yoon bi di def ay façon ci dégg nga waaw
This is the car wash. As we had camera explaining to the young man that they should not wash cars around this area. Wonderful viewers, we're still at Westfield heading to Gympex with a task force. So stay tuned with us to see how the operation is going to take place as we resume today. Please guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos as we bring you interesting videos of not only today's operation but the operation which is Operation Clear the Road. GTSC the Gambia Transport Service. This is the Gambia Transport Service. This is the Gambia Transport Service Company.
I want to speak of manager. I want to know who's responsible for this shops on the roads here.
Roads here.
Shops here.
They are differing by management.
So can I speak one of them, please?
Yes.
Get the command number, please.
Get a call back.
Coming every system has a way to operate. Ninguém nada de frente lá, na manhã da possibilidade de guiar uma mulher
But not only, can you check one of your managers here? We are also trying to follow the protocol. There is this officer here. Yeah, we will just come and pass the letter. Can you check one of the managers here? Because I have an issue here. We don't observe the road. We have issue on the source, we have on the road corridor here. You got now feel local, I don't know right, and everything of this property stop inside. So whatever is going here, never call on the floor from the manager level. You know, can see the
This man is coming.
Yeah, but you know, for your invite. If you want to take this one by yourself,
Excuse me, not part of taking decision by myself. Send the canale. I need to the canale.
Because get it party.
It's all right now. It's all right now.
I'm going to arrange that somebody is in you inside.
We have did all that protocols. They are just waiting for time.
This is the Gambia Transport Service Company. It's a transport agency. As you can see, part of their building is an illegal structure. So it has to be provoked.
No, Billy, give you only 24 hours. We give you only 24 hours. The government says nobody should be occupying the road for any private business. Okay. You understand? Ah, sister? Okay, thank you. Ali? I'm here. Yeah, Jade. How are you? Fine. I'm Mr. Kamara. Yes. Okay, okay, so road, huh? Yes. We have understanding from your friend. Yes. All this up to the last stop there. Yes. It's in front of the room. And it's in the clear.
But did you make notice to our management?
No, we are not doing that. The officer is not doing that. You understand that the government has taken the responsibility of giving press release.
So, but can you wait for management team witness
all these things all these things we did all these things for doing physical planning, picking out shelters, they are aware. Even the company is aware that they need to take these schools out. So we did all this communication.
Now, as far as you are concerned, I think the doing physical planning, doing roads, they are all part of this council. Now we are here to know that it is on the road area. Whatever engineering you should do, the government has to take responsibility now. Let us try and give all this engineering approval. No issues. You understand? No issues. So that's very fine. We are only giving you 24 hours. You don't want to come back here tomorrow this is here and we don't have any formal information from the person responsible. So now it is demolition in your court.
24 hours is tomorrow 1 p.m.
24 hours is tomorrow 1 p.m. If you should come here tomorrow, in this place here, we'll be demolished. Okay, thank you. Happy? Yes. Right. Yes. I'm here. Alhamdulillah. Yes.
Okay.
So this is Operation Flaggo.
Okay.
Our issue is this focus on the So we have to understand that when the time we are doing this thing here, the others we are putting people. But this is Operation Flaggo. So we came and we are actually safe. So our question will be, we can give you 24 hours. You engage the authorities that give it approval at the time. Tell them your people came here and they said this was the happening here. And that's how it stands now. Until and unless you also have that the same signal from them that this is APOC. But if that not be, we're going to try.
So, no, what happened? Before we even put it on, oh, that's the media here.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes.
The application is currently with the ministry.
It's currently with the ministry.
With the ministry.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Physical planning, then the ministry.
Okay.
In fact, it moved from physical planning to the ministry. Yes. So if you can take it up with them.
No, you should
okay.
do that now.
Okay, I'll make a follow-up.
You will do that.
I'll make a follow-up.
And
yes,
I don't know how you're going to do it.
Okay.
Hence, because we made it out before,
Yes.
and because people are fighting, we don't even demolition.
That's okay.
But we can give you 24 hours as our mandate. We can give you 24 hours that you should clear it. Tomorrow, either we have the instruction from them that it is ABOC or we come on demolition.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you are under which ministry? Or
This is a tax box.
okay.
Physical planning is here, NRA is here, the police are here. All the sister police are all here with us. Even the councils are with us.
And the Ministry of Local Government is also there.
So yes, it's here.
Okay, that's where the application is at the moment.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
So if you can liaise with them, whatever is where they are for us, they will let us know.
That's okay.
Thank you.
No, it's okay. We'll do that. Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
The right just come and put back there to see. Even
Taxi car is here, there.
where?
There. Taxis are there.
So please can you ask them to remove this? Yeah.
Yung ba, regular boss, yung bang ito
Camera addressing the traffic police officer to make sure that
It's okay.
these cars are not being parked here.
Hello, sir. How are you? Thank you very much. Who is the driver coming here? This stop here. You. Who are these people? Oh, that one is fine. How about this one? This is yours. But the parking here is not proper. Seriously. How about this staircase here? You know, it is not part of this building. So, it should be removed. You only give it 24 hours, please. You don't have to come here tomorrow and it is here. The canteen there, who is all this canteen? It's yours? Okay, thank you. So, staircase well. Uncle, assalamualaikum. Bagaimana ngajib? Bagaimana ngajib? Ibu ah? Ini nak address ah? Ali wa duma. Ibu kaya tu? Mugat tu. Mugat. Ayo tu. Dua kau beri. Hey. Kalau bundi jam, dia lain ni lah kalau bundi jam kuki, yang sama je pun seperti itu. Oh, ni sedang muli, ini pun, ini kita perlu kita buat jalan. That's fine. Mungkin yang dia masih lama, kita bunyi, nama jangan. Nama jangan dia muli. Lain kan bunyi. Ya, kita kaya lebih jam apa? Ah? Ya, kalau asal bunyi kalau. Nanti bersama wala. Belum tahu. Yang mana? Bunyi jangan jam, bundi jam. Bukan sandi wala mbak ñene ka am ko den ko ko bela jaw ke ne ba di la bi da ka sam ya ta yo yam aha ani ke kifale kamol dia tay yayinke o tay yayinko kawal fodi so defna min fonye wala ko nim frada e se mo min la wala ko fin fa asu so mal dino wala bi mo xabu samaram so da kada bi tay jam ni e tay do ko ngina na yen ko ndi fa sama ne da lips biro so fana e da do so mo ko as ke non to data bi mo mo na jam ko rek lan def mu ne ta jas ke so mbota ko wi may ko so bi ko so tinya ala ke tiara ko jam so se ko boni en sa da
This is the old shop, the old man here. This is the shop, but Camera told me that it is a legal structure and it has to be demolished. So he should try by all means remove everything from here because it is an attachment to the wall, which is referred to as a legal structure. So it has to be removed.
Sata lim dafa ñu def yow bi trop dégg wa nga pousse nga def na dégg wa nga li mom lepp ne nek la yu non so yaay fa de nga pak wa dégg bu ñu fi léegi fekk la fi de yabo de
What he's trying to explain to this woman is that she should try and move at the back because where she's sitting is on the way. So she have to try and move at the back.
amono ma
ma jël pour nomba bi ma jël nomba
wa defal lu
ma ne wol bu dafa fekkal yow
Tamara is asking attachment, but they say he's sick for almost a month and he's not coming. So they will try and call him and inform him about the demolition and that his shop here should be removed.
Yeah, go get to compete. So I get that bit. Go no, get no go no. Go
These attachments needs to be removed. As you can see, they are trying to provoke it. As you can see, these are all attachments that have been attached on the wall. So it has to be removed.
Silva, ila bol kulang ka biye to ang bol kulang. Oye. Wapan. Ani afai lo bol. Afai lo bol. Kino ba mo lo bol. Kino ba ni?
They are trying to park their stuff because this place is an illegal structure, so it has to be provoked. As you see the hammerman trying to provoke the place.
waaw dëgg la loolu dëgg la waaye kii moom dafa indi client ñi yëpp dañ dee indi client fii ñu jël ticket ñu dem. maybe 10-15 minutes rek gars yi dem.
so problème waaye xam nga suñu taal yi tam waaye ñu ngi taxaw ni baaw
xam nga suñu dee taxaw nii
Dala chef de garage.
ah non 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 amante chef de gare ñi kana rek jande yeta amul chef de gare ñi kana rek trogol wala kana baga so taja wala gara so be jana wo ila commissioner ye mo jana
Come different. Come different. So before that we give one. Time.
most of the time da nga customer dafa ñëw mu faak mu
jënda baga so be rek ay mu dem lool rek la bo ni meda meda 20 minutes 30 minutes
Kamana this is proper parking, but the man is telling them that they just come.
malo ñi ala sa yi mba tra pour nga inform min ka mu
They
jande
don't normally park.
sa tale almost
Just
2
bring
months
customers and then leave.
ala baga so be ji ala frigo ni ko de ko ala mo alo bele bari abe ko am aberin ka maybe